What is time dilation? Time. We experience it every day, steady, constant, predictable. But what if time doesn't actually flow the same for everyone? What if your seconds and my seconds can tick at different speeds? Welcome to the mind-bending phenomenon known as time dilation. Time dilation is a concept from Einstein's theory of relativity, and it reveals something shocking. Time is not absolute. It stretches, slows down, or speeds up depending on motion and gravity. This means that the faster you move, or the stronger gravity is around you, the more slowly time passes for you compared to someone else. Let's start with velocity-based time dilation. According to Einstein's special relativity, when an object moves close to the speed of light, time for that object slows down dramatically. Imagine two twins. One stays on Earth, the other travels through space at near light speed. When the traveling twin returns, they will actually be younger than their sibling. This is known as the twin paradox, and while it sounds like science fiction, it is scientifically proven. Now consider gravitational time dilation, described by general relativity. The stronger the gravitational pull, the slower time flows. That means time passes slightly faster on top of a mountain than it does at sea level. Even our GPS satellites orbiting Earth experience time differently. Their clocks run faster because they are farther from Earth's gravity. Engineers must correct this difference every day so your location on a map stays accurate. So what does all of this mean for us? It means time isn't universal. It bends and stretches with the universe itself. Every moment you live is subtly influenced by the speed you're moving and the gravity surrounding you, even if you don't notice it. Time dilation shows us that reality is far stranger and more beautiful than it appears. It reminds us that our universe is not built on fixed, rigid rules, but on flexible laws woven into space and time. In the end, time isn't just a ticking clock. It's a dynamic, shifting dimension, one that changes as we move through the cosmos.